Welcome to this blog edition of Urban Tales. I am Digreasing Sadwan. Right now I am standing just in front of the entrance to Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary, and the location is Nepli side entrance gate. And in the backdrop you can just see the all fun and fair and the reception desk which has been just set up here because today is the first day of nature and wheel track that is on 2nd of October 2023, because this Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary has been closed for 2 months consecutively during breeding season. Welcome to this blog edition of Urban Tales. I am Digreasing Sadwan, and right now I am sitting at the entrance gate of Nepli, which is basically gateway to Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary, and beside me sitting Mr.
TC Nautiyal.
TC Nautiyal. He is a Chief Conservator of Forest, UT Chandigarh, and today is the day for nature and wild track that is on 2nd of October. So, welcome, sir. Tell me something about this.
Thank you. The Department of Forest Chandigarh organizes this track every year on 2nd of October.
Okay.
And this particular track is of around 10 kilometers.
Okay.
And is very popular with the citizens of Chandigarh and nearby Tri-City area.
Okay.
And they enjoy it very much.
Okay.
So we make it sort of wildlife awareness event, and tell people about the importance of wildlife, importance of forest, and the importance of conservation as a whole. So this is an opportunity for us also to interact with large number of people, and thereafter then we organize this event on a monthly basis.
Okay.
But this is when it starts after rainy season, as a part of Wildlife Week celebration.
Okay. When we compare the interest level of people for this kind of nature walks, you have been to various parts of India. How do we stand, the people of Tri-City?
Tri-City is that way very special type of setup here.
Okay.
People are well educated, they are aware, they are very conscious about conservation and wildlife. So the degree of participation here is very enthusiastic, very high.
Okay.
That is why we keep it on a monthly basis, because it's very popular. The citizenry of Chandigarh is really into conservation. But then we keep them giving more opportunities and more interactions also, so that 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 spirit continues.
What about the number of registration count today for this walk?
It was registration was around 2000. I think around 1500 people on. I mean, my guess is they have already gone. So 1500 around, you can say.
Today, 1500 people are participating in this.
Are participating.
Okay.
Are participating.
So I was under the impression that the maximum strength for one day is 500.
This is a particular event.
Okay.
2nd of October is a particular event when we do not have that rider.
Okay.
Hereafter, I will allow only 500 to 600 people at a time.
Okay.
But this time, because it's a wildlife week and more number of people come after rainy season, so we do away with that rider.
Do we have any plan to generate a sort of revenue from this kind of activities?
There is a modest entry fee, but not today.
Not
Today it is free because of the wildlife week celebration.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
But
So nice of you.
So nice.
कौन सा गाँव है आपका? अच्छा अच्छा, मतलब करने का मतलब जिस वक्त ये लैंड एक्वायर हुआ था
हमारा, हाँ, हमारा गांव के अंदर था। 1964 में हम यहाँ थे पहले।
ओके।
उसके बाद 1964 के बाद हम जब ये बना वर्ल्ड बना, उसके बाद हम बाहर
नहीं, एक्चुअली दो स्टेज पे इसका एक्वायर हुआ था। एक तो 2600 हेक्टेयर था,
हाँ।
फिर 800 हेक्टेयर पंजाब से इन्होंने लिया था, उसमें थे
2600 वाले में।
2600 वाले में थे आप? अच्छा,
हमारा गाँव यहाँ था पहले।
ओके ओके। Which is being organized by Chandigarh Forest Department, and this particular location is Nautiyal. It's somewhat a midway point on the way from Nepli Hills towards Kansal Forest area. We have already covered a distance of approximately 5 kilometers, and in the backdrop you can also see the ambulance from Health Department, which has been arranged just as a safeguard, and today approximately around 1500 to 1600 people have registered for this nature and will trek.
मोटो नहीं भूलना आज मोटो नहीं भूलना। आज का मोटो क्या है? पीसफुल है, हैप्पी गांधी जयंती। चलो भाई,
आप कहाँ से आए हो?
27
योगा क्लास
चंडीगढ़ से।
तो योगा क्लास यहाँ जंगल में क्या कर रही है?
ट्रैकिंग के लिए आई है। हम आए हैं 2228 सेक्टर 27 चंडीगढ़।
अच्छा
भाई, इसने एड्रेस बता दिया, इसके घर में डकैती करके आना। आप क्या करेंगे?
नहीं, एक्चुअली यहाँ खजाना भी छुपा हुआ है।
अंकल देखो बता दो।
This is the second last point for light refreshment, and the name of this particular location is Nepli. And before that, second point was Nautiyal, where light refreshment was given. And basically, there are. This is the almost final leg of this nature and wind trek that is being organized on the 2nd of October 2013 at Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary. And we have just entered from Nepli hillside, and after crossing and trek distance of almost maybe around
8 kilometer plus. We are almost on the last leg of this our trek, and this particular location is sort of a watchtower, and it may be the second or third highest watchtower on this trek. And in the backdrop you can just see the lush green Shivalik foothills that is a part of this Sukhna Wildlife Sanctuary. And in that location I think it's a Kansal Log Hut, and it might be a sort of a concluding point for this trek today.